Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy A10 2021, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by a double tap to the power key, you can see that I just activate the YouTube music. And now just to turn on this feature, you should go into the settings and scroll down to the advanced features. Now just click here to the side key, and just to turn off to disable the quick launch to any applications or to the camera, you should click here only to this switcher, to the double press switcher, and now by double press to power key you can see that we can just only lock the device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.